Hey, what's up guys? It's Laashak again in a new video, and it's kind of different. It's a tech video. As you can see, I have a phone right in front of me, but like, yo, what phone is that, bro? Alright, so this, as you can see, it's a OPPO phone, and it was featured in my last video, the 1 year review one. But I mean, these phones aren't popular, but like they are nice and they are strong. Why and how? Like the budget phones, and they aren't flagship killers, but like, yo, it's a phone that you can use with like all the best features. It includes fast charger in the box, unless like many other companies. It includes a casing in the box, unless yes, not many companies do that. It comes with a in-display fingerprint, which is really fast, and it comes with a really nice cameras from various brands, and it also has a macro camera, which is really cool, hard to find these days. Dual LED flashes, and that's nice. Alright, we have this right here. It has zero camera bump. In this flagship world, in this 2020 market, I would say having good cameras and zero camera bump is maybe possible, but like, yo, it's hard to find. So this phone has that cool touch on it, and well, maybe not just this phone, I'm talking about the brand. So OPPOs are always underrated, I would say. They deserve way more. And just telling you guys that I'm not sponsored for this video, or I'm not paid or anything, I'm not influenced. It's just my personal thinking, thoughts, opinion about OPPO phones, alright? So, OPPO has this tagline saying, OPPO, the camera phone. Alright, yeah, you get good cameras, fine, I accept. But like, what else is good that makes you just go to OPPO other than maybe Samsung or something else? Well, it has some features that the flagship phones include. In a less price, I would say this is a mid-range phone, but it includes flagship features. Something that it lacks, I would say, is waterproof rating, and that's necessary only when you really want it. But like, having it on a spec sheet and just saying I do have it isn't necessary. But like, for me, I didn't find waterproofing rating was like a big feature, so that I can skip over these phones and go to like the better phones, I mean the costly ones. Alright, and some of the problems is you have bloatware installed. That's kind of depressing, but like, you can remove them, but they come with it. And there's this My OPPO app, which includes several spaces, and you have your cloud. In high-end phones, you have the cloud which comes with it. Yes, everything you can store, nice. Yes, this phone includes a cloud, which is way secure, and it's nice to use. It's easy to access from wherever you are, and yes, then it has 60 hertz refresh rate, but like, yeah, that's the speed which was available in 2019, so it's pretty good for a last year phone. So then you have the OPPO service, something that I really need to talk about. The OPPO service is really amazing. You have those community and diagnose a fault. I really like this, and I know that this is available in a Samsung phone. Alright, yes, it is available. And yeah, that's a nice wallpaper, you would say. Yes, it is. I just like this bit of efficacy from Rolls-Royce. Alright, then the phone is pretty neat. Good photos, good performance. And why isn't it really recognized in most of the parts? Well, it's mostly not sold by carriers in Canada and United States, so that's kind of one reason. It's available on Amazon, but poorly marketed. So no marketing stats. Only people who know about the phone will go and buy it. And yeah, it's then why don't people buy it? Because it's not recognized. That's basically why I'm making this video. I'm just telling you guys that there is a brand out there which can give you an amazing phone at super low budget. Alright, and yeah guys, that's pretty much it about OPPO phones. I'm not sponsored or paid with to make these videos, but like, yo, why not? It's fun and it's informative. We really want to know what is happening and why it is happening. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Meet you in my new video, which will post soon this week. Stay tuned, subscribe with the bell so that you can be updated with all my new videos. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you in the next one.